Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Nelia. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm answering a question a subscriber asked me, and it was a good one. So basically she asked me, what is the difference between spring twist, passion twist, and I just thought I'd add in Marley twist. I've done all three of these hairstyles, some of them more than once because one's more my favorite than the other, but I have done all these styles, so I thought I'd be the perfect person to answer these questions, and they are pretty simple answers, but I thought I'd break it down for you all. I want to start with what's in common with all three of these, and that's the price and the installation. So the price for all three of these hairs are very similar. They all range for about $4 to $8 a pack, and I think, yeah, you can buy all of them on Amazon, Sam's Beauty, and even in your local beauty supply store. Now, personally, the installation for me is the same. We just start with a little braid and twist it all the way down. Now, let me show you guys the actual three different types of hair. Okay, here we go. So in my hair right now, these are like Marley twist. Some people might call them kinky twist. I feel like they're the same idea, you know, but to each his own. I like to use the Free Twist Equal Jamaican Twist Braid for mine. Now there's tons of different kind of hair you can use for Marley twist, but I know populars are like Cuban twist, actual Marley twist hair, and of course again my Jamaican twist braid hair. Now here's a strand of Marley twist hair. As you can see, it's kinkier in texture and kind of ends like blah. At least mine does, and most of the Cuban twist hair I see kind of does too. So it's just like a rougher texture and really frizzy, natural looking. Spring twist hair is the same idea as Marley, you know, with the kinkier texture, but it's much softer and the ends are more springy. I actually just bought, just have a new pack of spring twist hair, so let me open it up for you guys. As you guys know, I get mine from Amazon as well, from Beauty Beyond Hair. So they were kind enough to send me some more. Here's spring twist hair. Like I said, definitely more springy. It still has like a kinky texture to it, but it's springy all the way down to the end. Definitely still softer, but still a little kinky to it. That's the spring twist hair. Now, passion twist you use crochet hair for usually. They are making some crochet brands that have the twist already in there. You just kind of like stick it in your cornrows and do it that way. Of course, you guys know I don't know how to cornroll, so I do it the old-fashioned way of just actually braiding it into my hair. And for that, people usually use the Free Twist Braid Deep Twist or whatever Free Twist crochet hair they want, but usually it's like Deep Twist or like Beach Curl or something like that. So I have a pack here of the Deep Twist in 22 inches. So this doesn't have any kind of kinky texture to it. It actually is meant to just be kind of like the picture, just like out alone, but for some reason we decided to braid it into our hair and wear it out. So here's how that looks, kind of like bundles or something. Definitely soft, definitely, I had to braid this down a few times before it slid out, but here it is. Here's some side-by-side comparisons just so you can get a better visual. Spring, Free Twist, and Marley. So, what are some cons, or what are the differences majorly to me about these three types of hair? Okay, let's go. So my least favorite, of course, as you guys know if you've been watching my channel and saw my passion twist video, my least favorite is passion twist. I don't like it because it doesn't last long and it looks horrible when it starts to grow out. I don't like styles that of course don't last long, but on top of that, it don't even look good when it starts growing out. These are Marley twists, so you know, they grow out, they don't look too bad. Like, it's like, okay, you know, maybe that's her real hair, who knows, I don't know. Passion twists, they tell on you, and they tell on you badly. It's not kinky in texture, it's not curly like, you know, our natural hair. So it's not gonna blend very well, and I don't care how much jam, gel, glue you use. It's just not, it don't look too good. And it tangles up on all your clothes. So they're really pretty though. That's the only pro I can think of. They're really pretty. They look great in photos, you know, I was taking all those snippy snaps and all of that. But they don't last long. And I know people love them, but I just don't like them. I do want to try the actual passion twists that are already twisted up in their actual crochet hair. I would be willing to try that, so maybe I'll do a video on that. But for now, the old-fashioned way, just regular free twist hair and all that, I don't like them. So my second in the line of things I like is the Marley twist. twist. Now this is like the first protective style I've ever done on myself. I like the small, medium, large, super long, natural length. Like I've done all types of things with Marley twists. They're very versatile. This hair is very versatile. You know, people actually use it for crochet styles. You can do a lot of things with Marley hair. Of course, it has tons of different colors. It's super popular now, super affordable. So it's great. And like I said earlier, you know, when it grows out, it doesn't look too bad. You know, it doesn't cause a chaos. The only thing I don't like about Marley twists are the ends. They end kind of raggedy even now. I did kind of dip mine in hot water and curl them, but that curl ain't gonna last forever, y'all. Here are the ends of my Marley twist. And they look kind of, you know, stringy. You know, they're not horrible, but they did have a nice curl. I actually curled them with perm rods and all the curls fell out, which is normal. I mean, I am rough on these. I do put them up in ponytails and buns and things, so I'm not surprised. But the ends always kind of bother me with these, and they always kind of get raggedy and knotty, so I do have to kind of like snip them and just keep track of them. But this style, what is this, like third week with these? These do last a long time, so that's what I do like about these. Now, my ultimate favorite that I just recently found this year, which I'm glad I found and I'm glad people are coming out with them, is the spring twist hair. This is my favorite style because like the Marley twist, I can have it short, long, small, medium, large, any size I want. Spring twist, it can do it. It can be done. Of course, it's affordable like the Marley twist and the passion twist, but the biggest difference is the ends. As you can see, it's a really springy type of material. Hair. It's a really springy type of hair, so no matter what you do at the ends, they are gonna curl up, and they always look uniformed and really nice and also really natural. Like the Marley twist, they do last a really long time and they grow out nicely. It's not like causing chaos like the passion twist. So of all these styles, my favorite is spring. Looks good at the ends, grows out nicely, lasts a long time, super affordable. You can't beat it. Hope that answered the question for you guys if you were ever curious the difference between these three. If you have any additional questions, please don't be scared to ask. Just leave it down below and I'll answer it for you, easy peasy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was informative. If you did find it helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Join the family. I make new videos every week about natural hair and things like that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.